So this is Euro Pound analysis for Tuesday 10th of October. Now, what's actually happened with the market? Well, in the previous video I did mention that as we've seen in the previous couple of weeks with the euro dollar and the pound dollar in particular, when we do get gaps and we have gap fills, and then the market moving away from the actual gap fill. And as you can see, that's what's actually happened this week so far. Market gap down. We've had strong buying momentum come into the market to close the gap, and we have subsequently sold back off. So where are we now? Now the weekly pivots at 89.45. We are currently consolidating beneath that. Prices do appear bullish in that they've come down, and we've got this consolidation forming, suggesting that the buyers are likely to push a price upwards. The fact that we haven't sold, we haven't really trended to the downside with the initial sell-off is, I would say, supportive of euro bullishness against the pound. But what we want to see is a successful hold of 89.45. So let's talk about the important levels again. And the important levels, we'll be looking at 88.51 to the downside, and to the upside we're looking at 90.24. And it's all just a case of how does price react and hold the 89.45 level. So that should wrap it up on. Actually, just have a quick look on the higher time frames. I keep disregarding the higher time frames primarily because I talked about them so much yesterday. So let's just have a look at the higher time frames. Just get the scaling here correct. And as you can see, the last month we did have a bearish engulfing candle, but we are trading above this month's open. Yes, we're trading above this month's open. As you can see on this chart here, I have put in a trend line. It just pretty much indicates how bullish this market has been. And so if I go down to the weekly time frame, let's just see what's happened there. Again, weekly time frame, we've had this blow off move in the euro pound, so we've had 3 consecutive weeks of bearishness, but the last not last week, but the last bearish week we did have quite a bit of selling, and with prices closing near their low. Since then we've put in a bullish, we'd say what appears to be a somewhat bullish formation. You know, we have had candles closing near their highs, with the exception of this candle here on the 25th, and we do appear to be poised to for a retest of 92.20. So that's currently where we are on the higher time frames. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.